What's up, guys? Welcome back to another incredible training. Now, this training is all about what credit card should you be using for your business operational costs. Now, a lot of people tend to be a big fan of our guy, the American Express Platinum card, right? It's metal, it's cool, you sound cool when you have it, it looks cool in your wallet. But I'll tell you, I have over 13 credit cards, a lot of them right here, right? And I can tell you, and I have one specific preference out of all these that I use for my business. Now, first, let me tell you this. I like to travel, and I know we are in the middle of COVID as I am recording this training right now. So things are a little different as a moment in time, but I promise you this, when this is all over and things open up again, I'm going to be traveling with my family as I always have. Now, I also like nicer stuff. So I combined with my love for travel and nicer stuff, I want to make sure I don't have to pay for that nicer stuff all the time. So I specifically choose credit cards that can give me points to pay for the nicer stuff that I want to personally be able to do, while at the same time, my business has monthly costs that I have to pay each and every month. And because my business continues to make money each and every month, I can actually pay my credit card off each and every month, which helps me add hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of points to these credit cards. Now, as I said, I like to travel a ton, and a lot of my cards tend to be travel credit cards. And I want to be careful here. I don't share my numbers with you guys, but I have the Bonvoy Brilliant card here by American Express. This, you'll see, is my #1 card. It is also metal, by the way, just so you guys know. I have your typical American Express Bonvoy card as soon as I can get into focus, okay, by American Express. I have the American Airline Platinum Aviator card, which is not that easy to get either. My Southwest card, I forget what they call this, is some sort of fancy Southwest card. Anyways, it's the 2 levels up from the one you can normally get in the airport. I have my American Express Platinum, as I told you, and then I have my American Express Hilton card. As you see, most, if not all of those are all revolving around travel, and that's how I structure my credit cards. Now, I have a USAA card as well, and I have several other credit cards that kind of work a little bit differently. But for me, what I enjoy most about these cards is the ability to travel. And so I really encourage you to use whatever card you want. Make sure you line it up with what really could help you the most. So here is my choice. I specifically on this video, I'm reviewing 2. I'm going to review these 2. The one that probably is likely the most popular, the American Express Platinum, which is metal, and the one that I choose because I absolutely love it, and there goes my phone, is the American Express Bonvoy Brilliant card. Both of those are metal, by the way. And so the reason why I'm going to choose these is one is the most popular, one is the one, my favorite, and here's why. So SPG and Marriott combined their companies, and they created what's called Bonvoy, and Bonvoy is their point system, and they have the largest selection of hotels. So regardless of you needing or wanting a really nice hotel like the St. Regis, you don't have to do that. They have plenty of Marriott or Sheraton type hotels on their website. So there are a ton. When I travel for business and I'm in and out of a city really quick, a lot of times I will stay at like a Spring Hill Suites, which is part of the Bonvoy, because it's more of a business hotel. It's quick. I can work there. It's easy. I'm not there for luxury anyways, so I can use it for that as well. The reason why I like the American Express Bonvoy Brilliant is because it is about 1/3 of the cost. The American Express Platinum is roughly $500 a year. The American Express Bonvoy Brilliant, I believe I pay $150 a year. So right there, I'm saving money each and every year. Now, the next part is I travel a lot. So I want to earn double, triple points. And so anytime I'm spending my money at the hotel, I'm using that credit card as well, because I will get triple the points when I'm buying snacks or beers or beverages or lunch or dinner, because I am using that card in the actual hotel I'm staying at, which gives me multiple points. Thirdly, I like it because that card is also connected to airlines. So if I so chose, I still will be able to redeem my points with something like 30 or 40 airlines that I can actually just redeem those points with that airline as well. So it's cheaper because I travel a lot and I enjoy travel and I enjoy luxury to some extent within my travel. I want to be able to afford that luxurious hotel, such as the Four Seasons or the St. Regis, or if you're in Arizona, like the Phoenician, which is a 5-star resort. Those are all a part of the Bonvoy program. And so I can stay there for free because I just use my points. I take that card, I run my direct mail on it, I run all my marketing operational cost on it, I pay it off every single month. And again, hundreds of thousands of points I've been able to accrue. And that allows me to travel to incredible hotels, to incredible destinations for absolutely free. So hopefully this is a nice little business hack, a life hack for you guys. You should be using the right credit card for the right, the right strategy, because for me, the strategy is not cash back or money back or, something, American Express Platinum has an opportunity for you to be able to buy stuff, luxury stuff through their website using American Express points. That doesn't do it for me. Travel does. Hopefully you find the right card for you, but I would really encourage you to get the American Express brilliant Bonvoy. But again, there are some levels to this. You might have to get the first level first and have it for a little while. The American Express Bonvoy, the normal plastic American Express, you might have to get this first, have it for 6 months or so, and then upgrade. And as long as your credit is good, you should be good. That is something that I will tell you. With all this talk about Dave Ramsey, and I love Dave Ramsey, and I actually subscribe to his whole thing. One thing I don't 100% agree with is when he talks about how credit doesn't matter. Credit does matter. And the reason being is you can have little life hacks like this, and I have 13 different credit cards, all for different reasons. It really has helped me be able to live an incredible life without having to spend a ton of money personally. And hopefully this finds you guys well. I'll see you guys on the next training. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do. And if you are a real estate investor, go join the Science of Flipping Academy group on Facebook. Go join the Science of Flipping Academy group on Facebook. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next